As a scientist, I'm super excited to be working in this region now because it's special in many ways. It's the southernmost population of Pocillopora. The reef here is very low diversity, and it's like we're onboarding a third ocean now with reefs. We've worked in the Caribbean, we've worked in the Philippines, we've never worked in the Eastern Tropical Pacific. And just seeing how this ecosystem here reacts to our system is very exciting for us to see. We'll be monitoring this for the next 3 years at least. So we'll see how it develops with this low diversity reef around. We hope to be increasing the biodiversity in this area also by a lot.
On top of building a reef in Ecuador, what made me the most happy was to see the commitments of the community of Los Cereales. I was so impressed by seeing all these kids, the families, everyone helping, and I was really like amazed when I was in the water and these kids were like free diving and helping us. I mean, that was a special moment for me. And we could partner and work with the team of CONMAR and the fishing communities to create a positive environmental and social impact.
I think it was 2022 when we met the CONMAR team in San Andres Island, where we built our first pilot reef, and we just bonded straight away. And since then, Andrea and I went into the process to get the permit for Ecuador to actually build our first reef here in Ecuador. And now we're here.
When we first met, I think like reefs and CONMAR's purposes like aligned pretty well. We were both working to restore corals, so yeah, it's been amazing to work with the girls in here in Ecuador, and we're so excited to see how the reef develops.